How to request your teacher access on Nelson Digital. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to request teacher access and search for your desired textbook. Once you're logged in, select Request Teacher Access from your dashboard and search for your title. You can search via name, ISBN, or subjects. You can select as many Nelson textbooks as you need in one go. Add in your student cohort numbers for each textbook. Next, enter the name of the bookseller you've purchased your books from. If you've purchased direct, please add in Cengage in this field. If your education consultant details are not present, don't worry. Just follow the prompts to populate that information and select Update Consultant. Finally, click on the Submit Request button to complete the process. Once you've submitted your request, you'll receive a confirmation email. This email will inform you when the title has been added to your bookshelf. Please note that during peak periods, such as back to school, it may take 24 to 48 hours to receive the confirmation email. We appreciate your patience. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to gain access to your teaching resources.